Hi, I'm Brian Mahoney, national speaker, international #1 best-selling author, and publisher of over 400 books on Amazon, Barnes& and Noble, and around the world. We all have people we look up to and marvel. So after the end credits of this video, we will reveal a real financial superhero's powerful money-making secrets so you can make your dreams a reality. When you start a business, you must have a business plan. Here are some of the things that the Small Business Administration suggests that you have as part of your business plan: an executive summary, a snapshot of your business, company description, describe what your company will do, marketing analysis, research on your industry, market, and your competitors, organization and management, giving them your business structure, service or product, the products or services you're offering, marketing and sales, your marketing and sales strategy, funding requests, the money you'll need for the next 3 to 5 years, financial projections, supply all info like balance sheets, an appendix, which is optional, but it will include resumes and permits. The next thing after having a plan is you're going to need some money for your business. One of the sources of income is government assistance. At the Catalog of Federal Domestic Assistance, there are over 22 federal assistance programs. Then you need to incorporate your business. There are several types of incorporation. One is limited liability company, which structure is a hybrid legal structure that provides the limited liability features of a corporation and the tax efficiencies and operational flexibility of a partnership. An S corporation. Its structure is a corporation created through the Internal Revenue Service tax election. You need to consult a small business attorney when you are selecting what type of corporate structure you're going to have for your company. Then you need to purchase equipment. Two of my favorite sites for equipment are johndon.com and jannylink.com, simply because they've been in the industry for a while and they put their prices up. Many of the companies for carpet cleaning equipment will not even show you their prices on their site unless you give them your email address and other information. And then finally, you must take action. You have to have a plan, but then you have to do it. You have to execute it. All right, right now we're going to take a look at some carpet cleaning equipment. This is one of the more popular carpet cleaning equipment companies, John Don, and let's take a look at some of their prices. And uh, so many of the carpet cleaning websites, when you go to them, they won't reveal their prices unless you give them your email address, telephone number, and all like that. And that sort of just slows things up and sort of lets you know how high their prices are. So just take a look at uh, uh, John Don's prices. See, $2,500, almost $3,000, $2,200, $1,400. So you got a nice $1,000 drop there with that one. So you get an idea that you're looking at about, probably on average, about $2,200 for these carpet cleaning extractors. And then they have a nice low cost one there at 600, another low cost one there at about 500. So you definitely have a range and can get started with um, lower cost machines going to Don John's for your carpet extractor. And let's take a look at another site. And this one is Janny Link. And as you can see, they've got their top seller at about a little under $1,000, 900. You throw in taxes, you're going to pay about $1,000. So you see that while the average might be somewhere in the area of $2,500, you can get started and get a quality machine for anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so you can get tons of amazing new video content. Click the bell so you get notified instantly when we upload one of a library of new exciting videos that are on the way. Please like this video. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Hit the link in the description and make your own happy ending. This list was compiled by YouTuber Evan Carmichael. For more details on each one of these points or rules, visit Evan's YouTube channel. Denzel Washington's 10 Rules for Success. Number 1, dreams need goals. Number 2, aspire to make a difference. Number 3, ignore the opinions of others. Number 4, stick to your guns. Number 5, bring your dreams to life. Number 6, share your gift. Number 7, work hard. Number 8, fall forward. Number 9, take what's useful. And number 10, tell great stories.